Hey, 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 everybody. How are you? I hope you're having a great day. My name is Martha Vorel. If you are with me live, let me know in the comments. If you catch the replay, also let me know. Today, I wanted to talk about stories. They are hot, 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 hot. Honestly, I feel like now people are kind of just looking at stories instead of actual posts. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments. Drop a 1 if you agree. So stories are the new thing, and they can be super, super powerful. You can show everything from your lifestyle to your business to asking questions to whatever, really, whatever you want, to showing like what you're cooking that night so that people get a glimpse of your lifestyle and they can kind of understand what you do day to day. So they are super, super powerful. That is why Facebook has put them at the top of the feed on your phone, because they want people to use stories, and they're promoting them using stories. And I, in particular, use mine for my business. And for my personal life, quite honestly. So if you do that, let me know in the comments. Drop a 2. So today I wanted to hop on and just tell you how you can make your stories evergreen. Stories, if you don't know this, they only last for 24 hours. And sometimes you have a really good story and you're like, oh my gosh, I got so much engagement, so many people liked it, so many people viewed it, whatever. And you're like, how do I get this thing to stick around, right? So I'm going to explain how you can set up your highlights so that those stories can actually be part of your whole content creation and can actually stick around. And if you don't know, or if you don't use content to attract people into your business, let me know. Give me a 3 in the comments. And if you do use attraction marketing and have lots of content so that people can view your profile, drop a 4 in the comments. Hey, Bethany, thanks for hopping on. So I really wanted to talk about the highlights today. And this is some new technology for me. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to wing it because that's how I roll. So I'm going to try to share my phone screen with you. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Okay, here we go. I think I got it. So this is my phone, and I wanted to just explain. Highlights thus far have been easier for me to do on my phone. So I have created some stories. I created actual story covers. So they say like business and health and family and fun, just to have, here, I'll show you. I'll just scroll down here. So you can see my stories highlights, business, family, health, and fun. And then when someone clicks on those, they can see that. And then they can also see other stories that I have put under my business category, if you will. So I hope that is helpful. And if you understand that, let me know in the comments. Say just, yep, I get it. I understand what you're trying to say. And then I have family, which shows a few pictures of my family. So you can see, these stick around for a long time. So how do you do these highlights? Super cool. You actually have to go to, if you see this, you go past your friends list, and then you go down here and you go to add new. Sorry, I've never done this before, so this is super exciting. And I'm like hesitate, or I'm trying to do it on my computer and realizing it's totally on my phone. I'm going to put this one under, that's actually to create a new one. So you can actually go through and create those headers or those categories within your stories. So that would be the header. And then there's a add more, you can add more. And then I could add another one to that particular category. Does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up if that makes sense in the comments. So what I have done is, create these categories already. And if you would like to go in and actually add to those particular categories, I think I did a story on a recipe the other day. Edit story highlights you go to, and I'm going to go to health and go to add more. And then I'm going to put this food picture under there. Let's see. Yep. There we go. And so now when somebody clicks on that health category, they actually are going to see that picture. You can see I have quite a bit. I have some sweet potato chili. Anybody like sweet potato chili out there? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. So it's a super cool way to keep your stories around and to have them actually working for you when you can't. I do lots of polls. Polls are super powerful if you like to get engagement, which if you are building your business online and you are using attraction marketing, I highly, highly recommend polls. And if you are interested, I actually am doing a whole attraction marketing series on, it's starting on, oh my gosh, it's going to start, it's a 5-day challenge and it's going to start on, first of all, I can't believe we're in July. Can you believe we're in July already? It's going to start on the 28th. And if you would like an invite for that, just drop the word invite below. But anyway, it is super easy to get these stories to stick around. It's super similar to Instagram if you have done that before. Really just being able to add these things so that they are always on your profile page. I hope that was helpful, and it is a great way to optimize your profile and really be able to have your stories be around for more than 24 hours. Because I know sometimes you get lots of engagement on one story and you're like, oh man, I wish that I could figure out how to keep that story and not keep running it in your stories. Well, this is the way. This is your answer. So I hope you guys got value out of this. If you did, drop the word value below. And also, again, if you would like to be part of my 5-day attraction marketing challenge, drop the word invite below and I will send you an invite. And I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you so much for joining me. And now I'm going to try to turn this off.